Woo! Look at that go! That's a cool kite. Lunch.
We got hot.
Meat?
Yeah. What?
The last one was, oh my god.
I think it's mine. Thank you, Dad. It's very high.
Uh-huh. Look at that. Wow, now it's really up high. We have a flying shark.
Why are you holding on your pocket? Look, kid.
Open wide. Wait, no. Cut. Good cut. Open wide. Wait. Until wait. There. Good cut. And another straw. Good cut.
There's a bunny.
There's a bunny. Good bunny. Now, let's do another color.
I have an owl.
Pretty red. Let's see if this red works. I don't know if that one works.
Oh,
Whoa! It does work. That looks like a dinosaur. Look, it's like a hand. Back one.
look at the shot. Nope.
There's the lid.
A ghost?
Is that a ghost? Ooh, what does a ghost say? Boom.
Ew.
And then what does your mommy do? Scream? Ah!
Nose. Yeah.
Oh. You could go all the way to the other end. So you can see it come out. Not yet. Oh,
Nope.
it's coming out right there. Now pull on that one. Pull it out. There we go. And then pull that through. And the motor button. Now grab a button.
Yeah.
Triangle.
It's like a flying high.
Okay. Cool. Oh, you're hard to cut it. Stop.
So